In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite affiliate in Whop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set clear commission terms for a specific partner. Start by opening Whop and signing into your account. From the home feed, look to the left sidebar and select your business. That takes you into your workspace. Next, open the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, locate the All Tools area. From there, head into Marketing and then choose Affiliates. This brings you to the creator-focused area for managing affiliate relationships. If you see a creator dashboard entry, click it to open the affiliate tools. Now, set up the invitation. Click the option to set an affiliate commission for a specific user. In the user field, start typing the person's profile and select the correct one from the results. This ensures tracking and payouts are tied to the right account. Configure the reward. You can choose a percent commission, which pays out a share of each qualifying sale, or switch to fixed if you want a flat amount per conversion. Think about your margins and typical order value when deciding between these two. Next, decide how the commission applies over time. Choose recurring payments if you want the affiliate to earn on every renewal for subscriptions, or select first payment to limit earnings to the initial checkout only. If you want to control which offers can be promoted, turn on the option to only allow referring to specific products, then select the products you want included. This is helpful when you're running a limited campaign or testing a new partner on a subset of your catalog. Before sending the invite, review everything: the selected user, commission type and amount, whether it's recurring or first payment only, and any product restrictions. When it all looks good, click Invite. The affiliate will receive your terms, and once accepted, their tracking and commissions will be active. Keep an eye on performance and don't hesitate to revisit the affiliates area later to fine-tune commissions as your partnership grows.